The vast expanse of the sky might seem like an impossible place for collisions to occur. However, the history of aviation tells a different story. From the earliest days of flight, mid-air collisions have been a constant threat. The first recorded collision involving two dirigibles occurred in 1910. Despite advancements, the threat persists, demanding constant vigilance. Mid-air collisions, though statistically rare, are frequently the result of a chain of errors, a cascade of misjudgments and miscommunications that culminate in tragedy. The airspace, while seemingly vast, is governed by a complex web of rules, procedures, and technologies designed to maintain order and prevent accidents. One of the most common contributing factors in mid-air collisions is miscommunication. Clear and concise communication between pilots and air traffic controllers is paramount in ensuring the safe separation of aircraft. A breakdown in this critical link, whether due to language barriers, radio interference, or simple human error, can have dire consequences. Misjudgment, too, plays a significant role in these incidents. Pilots operating in a dynamic and often unpredictable environment rely on their training, experience, and situational awareness to make split-second decisions. However, factors such as fatigue, stress, or distractions can impair judgment, increasing the likelihood of errors in perception and decision-making. Navigational errors, often stemming from equipment malfunctions, inadequate pre-flight planning, or pilot disorientation, can also lead to mid-air collisions. The ability to accurately determine one's position, altitude, and heading is essential for maintaining safe separation from other aircraft. The early years of aviation were marked by tragic mid-air collisions. These incidents highlighted the limitations of early aircraft and air traffic control. The first recorded collision in 1910 involved two French pilots over Milan. Their dirigibles collided, causing minor damage and injuries. The first fatal collision in 1912 involved Captain Patrick Hamilton. These tragedies underscored the need for improved safety measures. Lessons from these incidents continue to shape aviation safety today. Section 4. The Electronic Guardian, TCAS, and Aviation Safety. As aviation technology advanced and air traffic density increased, the need for sophisticated systems to prevent mid-air collisions became increasingly apparent. One such system, the Traffic Collision Avoidance System, or TCAS, has emerged as a cornerstone of modern aviation safety, providing pilots with an electronic safety net in the skies. TCAS, first introduced in the 1980s, is a sophisticated radar-based system that detects the presence of other aircraft equipped with transponders. These transponders, small electronic devices on board aircraft, transmit coded signals that are received and interpreted by TCAS systems. When a potential collision threat is detected, TCAS provides pilots with both visual and audible warnings, alerting them to the presence of another aircraft on a converging course. The system then generates recommended avoidance maneuvers, instructing pilots to either climb or descend to maintain safe separation. TCAS has proven to be remarkably effective in reducing the incidence of mid-air collisions, particularly between larger commercial aircraft. Its ability to provide timely warnings and clear avoidance instructions has undoubtedly saved countless lives, solidifying its reputation as an indispensable tool in the aviation safety arsenal. Section 5. The vulnerability of helicopters. While all aircraft are potentially susceptible to mid-air collisions, helicopters, due to their unique flight characteristics and operational environments, face a heightened risk. Their agility, while advantageous in many scenarios, can also make them more vulnerable to collisions, particularly in congested airspace or during low-altitude operations. Helicopters, unlike fixed-wing aircraft, have the ability to hover, fly backwards, and maneuver in tight spaces. This maneuverability, while essential for their diverse roles, can pose challenges in terms of predictability and visibility to other aircraft. Their relatively slow speeds, particularly during hovering or low-speed maneuvers, further exacerbate the risk of collisions. Furthermore, helicopters often operate in close proximity to obstacles and terrain, such as during search and rescue missions, aerial firefighting, or power line inspections. These environments, often characterized by limited visibility and unpredictable air currents, demand heightened situational awareness and exceptional piloting skills. The limited visibility from helicopter cockpits, particularly in certain directions, can also increase the risk of mid-air collisions. Pilots must be extra vigilant in scanning for other aircraft, utilizing all available resources, including visual scans, radio communications, and electronic aids to maintain situational awareness. Section 6. Navigating a safer future. Preventing mid-air collisions requires a multifaceted approach, encompassing technological advancements, enhanced pilot training, and robust air traffic control procedures. Ongoing efforts to improve aviation safety must address the unique vulnerabilities of helicopters, recognizing the heightened risks associated with their operational characteristics. Advancements in technology such as the development of sense and avoid systems, specifically designed for helicopters, hold great promise in mitigating collision risks. These systems, utilizing a combination of sensors, cameras, and onboard processing power, aim to provide pilots with real-time situational awareness and collision avoidance capabilities. Enhanced pilot training with a focus on situational awareness, decision-making, and helicopter-specific collision avoidance techniques is paramount in reducing the likelihood of accidents. Simulators capable of replicating a wide range of flight conditions and emergency scenarios play an invaluable role in honing pilot skills and decision-making abilities. Air traffic control procedures, too, must evolve to address the unique challenges posed by helicopters. This includes developing specialized procedures for helicopter operations in congested airspace, as well as enhancing communication and coordination between pilots and controllers. Section 7. Conclusion: a shared responsibility. The prevention of mid-air collisions is a shared responsibility, requiring the collective efforts of pilots, air traffic controllers, regulators, and the aviation industry as a whole. By acknowledging the inherent risks, embracing technological advancements, and fostering a culture of safety, we can strive to make the skies a safer place for all. Pilots, as the ultimate guardians of their aircraft, bear the primary responsibility for avoiding collisions. Maintaining situational awareness, adhering to established procedures, and exercising sound judgment are crucial in mitigating risks. Air traffic controllers, through clear communication, effective traffic separation, and timely alerts, play a vital role in preventing collisions. Their ability to anticipate potential conflicts and provide pilots with timely instructions is essential in maintaining order in the skies. Regulators, through the establishment and enforcement of safety standards, certification requirements, and operational procedures, provide the framework for a safe aviation system. Their role in fostering a culture of safety, promoting transparency, and driving continuous improvement is essential. The aviation industry, from manufacturers to operators, must prioritize safety in all aspects of design, production, maintenance, and operations. Investing in research and development, embracing new technologies, and fostering a culture of continuous improvement are crucial in enhancing aviation safety.